Hi everyone, this is Anne. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this inner shadow in Canva custom frame. Alright, let's get started. Now, after you have created your design and you want to add a frame, a custom frame into your design, and as well as you want to add an effect, a shadow effect to that custom frame, this is how I do it, yeah? I'm going to show you now. So I have created my own custom frame and it is in my folder here. So it's a square custom frame. I'm going to apply this. Okay. Now I going to copy this frame, Control C, to this design over here. Paste it. And I'm going to turn this frame into a color frame. Okay. Now the color of this frame, I'm going to fill this frame over here with the same color of this canvas. So this is the color code. I'm going to copy the color code. Copy. I'm going to go back to the frame. I'm going to fill the frame with the same color. Okay. Paste. Now this is the effects. Now what I do is I'm going to make it bigger of this frame so it shows the text in the middle. Okay. So this is the result I want. And in order to apply the effect, shadow effect using the same frame so that the shadow effect is in the frame, just like this one, over here, I am going to duplicate this frame, okay? Duplicate the frame, and I'm going to make it darker, black, and lower the transparency. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to reposition the frame below of the yellow. Can you see the effect now? Now of course I need to adjust. Sorry, I can't adjust in this way, it's wrong. So what I need to do is I am going to make it slightly smaller so you can see the shadow effect of the frame. Now in order to see both edges of the shadow frame, I control by using alternate at the keyboard and drag from this corner. So this is how I created this shadow effect. Okay,